What the fuck is up, YouTube? We back at it again with another what the fuck, all shit, not again moment. So look, you remember the bitch that eat sand, right?
Yeah, weirdo.
Remember the bitch that was eating rocks?
Crazy bitch.
Right. Then we branched off into the bitch that like air freshener.
Yeah, that weirdo.
Right? Then the bitch that eat her husband ashes.
Bitch weird.
She weird. Rank them right now, rank them. Who the weirdest?
I have to give it up to the air freshener lady. That's just weird.
Air freshener?
Yeah, she makes eating rocks look normal.
So eating rocks look normal. Sand, normal.
Yep.
Eating ashes is normal.
No, hell no. That's just weird.
Hey, so me personally, I'm gonna say they tied. They tied for first place.
They're tied for first place, and then
Go
second,
on.
third. I'm gonna go rocks and then sand.
Rocks then sand.
Sand is in last place.
Right.
I mean, I feel like everybody accidentally eats sand
right.
every now and
like,
then.
you just don't go out and be like, yo, I want to eat some sand type shit. Like, you playing sand or just go in your mouth a little bit. Cool. Well, we got this bitch eating bricks.
This bitch eats bricks.
Bricks.
She's tied with the rock lady. She's tied with
the rock lady?
Yeah, she's tied with the rock lady. Well, so far.
So far. Call it out. I'm going to say Sorry, this one's black. This one's black. I was thinking black too.
This one's black.
Because
sorry.
the rock lady, that just seemed like a white adventure. For some reason. White people be having a lot of rocks in front of their front line. Black people fuck with bricks. Going bricks. We gonna check it out and see.
My name's Patrice. I live in London and I'm addicted to eating bricks. When I eat brick, it's like a drug to a drug addict. You feel good for a while until you need it again.
You could just hear her go into town and it just crunch, crunch, crunch. You get like a little cringe feeling.
What he?
Like, when you hear it. But obviously to Patrice, it's heaven.
I started eating brick in my late teens. I got the idea to do it from my grandma, who told me that my auntie and uncle, when they were kids, they used to dig the wall and taste it. One day I ended up trying it myself.
What
and
the
I couldn't
fuck?
really stop.
Half a ton of bricks.
Throughout the day, this is about how much brick I would consume. I eat brick from my bedroom, my grandmother's bedroom, and the bathroom. This is the poster that I'd use to cover up the evidence. I use different tools, screwdrivers, scissors, whatever I can
She just
to get
got like a little factory going
brick
on.
out the wall so I can eat it. So far, I have no physical problems from eating brick, and even my teeth are in good condition.
I find it very disheartening. A doctor could diagnose her now as perfectly fine. But we don't know what it could do 10 to 20 years down the line.
I've eaten bricks for 12 years already, so another 12 years won't hurt.
Shit, that nigga is huge.
I feel like he just with her. He's just like, fuck it. This pussy. I don't care about her addiction.
Yeah, that's funny. Oh, shit.
But the crazy thing about this whole fucking video is, like, this is like a family. It's like a family thing.
It's been passed down for generations.
Like, generation to generations. Like, and then her grandma just said it so calm. Like, yo, your cousin.
It's all Gucci.
Just go do it. Just go do this.
Go
hey,
be you.
like, if you got something on your mind, go eat some bricks. Bitch. Come on. Really? Like, this what we doing? Look, you fucking with the video? Y'all know the 4 things to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that shit.